If you need to jack up your car to change the tire or for any other reason, there's usually a specific place in the car to place the jack. On this car, underneath the molding near the tire, you can see this arrow pointing to the spot where you should put the jack. And underneath the car, there's two pieces of metal that are spot welded together, and that's usually the spot where you would put the jack. The jack may have a sticker on it identifying the spots where to place the jack. The jack that comes with your car may look something like this, and it has a slot in it. The slot on the jack will be placed around the spot on the car where the two pieces of metal are spot welded together, such as this. You can see on here where it's nice and straight, but in this area someone has incorrectly placed a jack, probably not the correct one for the car, and they have smashed this. Sometimes you might want to use just a regular floor jack to jack up your car, but this plate on here isn't made to jack in that area, and it would probably damage it. There are other places under your car where you can probably put this, but if you wanted to jack the car up in that specific area, you would need an adapter. This plate is removable, and I've made an adapter to install. I machined this from a solid piece of steel, and I milled a slot in here, and I cut some relief. On some vehicles you need a little extra room here. And then I put this in a lathe and turned this down to match the stem that's on the back of the original plate. And that stem goes into the jack to hold it in place. And you can see that this adapter goes over the metal under the car in the specified area, and you can use it to jack the car up. This adapter works on many vehicles. I've used it on a 2016 Ford Fusion and also a 2000 Pontiac Bonneville. And here it is under the Bonneville. I originally made this for my 1983 Z28, so I've had this for a long time, and it's a very handy tool.